However you want it. Easiest over to net. Yeah, I've got 3 buckets in there then.
Hi guys, quite a good day today. We've had the digger once again. As you've seen, we've also booked it for tomorrow, so we're going to carry on. I rang the grab to get some hardcore brought in. So we've got 10 tonne. So as you know, at my back, I am not shoveling 10 tonne. So I think we've got about 8 tonne in on them 2 areas. The bit that we've just finished off digging out, or started digging out, we're going to tune all that area up a little bit more tomorrow, and get hardcore in, and start ripping out down the side. But have you seen how tight it is with that digger? It's a good job we swapped diggers yesterday, because we just wouldn't have been able to do it. But yeah, that's about it really. It's another day digging out. It's a bit tedious. But yeah, I need to get moving, man. My back's just seized stiff, really. On holiday we were doing was walking, whereas now I did my stretches this morning, went to work, sat in the van for an hour, sat on digger, I get off and I'm like, so I'm gonna go do some more stretches now. But once again guys, thanks for watching. If you don't know, from one of his previous videos that we did, I did it over in Spain, made a big announcement. We are opening up another channel. It's called Running a Landscaping Business. That is gonna be me showing you joining the journey with me, and just me explaining, like, it's not all win-wins, if you like. It is some losses here or there, but you'll be joining the journey with me, and I'll be explaining what we do, how we do, why we do it. So if you'd like to give us a follow, a subscribe, that's Running a Landscaping Business. So yes, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the other channel, see you on this channel as well, but I'll see you most importantly tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp.